Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel dedicated to addiction and recovery. Today we are going to talk about rebuilding relationships and healing broken bonds in recovery. Little did I know that in the beginning of my daughter's addiction journey, how strong and resilient that I would become, and how my perception of material possessions would shift. Through the challenges that we faced, I learned the power of forgiveness and just letting it go. In the early stages of my daughter's recovery, she would often approach me with tears, burdened by the weight of her past actions, and wondering if I would ever be able to forgive her. I would assure her that during the darkest days of her addiction, I did lose a lot. Cars, money, friends. But I assured her that those things were all replaceable. And the one thing that I came very close to losing that was irreplaceable was her. Today, our journey toward financial recovery continues, but spiritually, we shine. The significance of material possessions has faded away. I've realized all those things I lost no longer hold any value compared to having my daughter back in my life. The love and the connection that we share now cannot compare to any material possessions. It's a powerful reminder that true riches lie in the relationships that we rebuild and the growth we experience and the strength we find within ourselves through forgiveness, understanding, and perseverance. We've discovered a deeper sense of wealth that cannot be measured by material possessions. In conclusion, the path to rebuilding relationships after addiction is a journey of transformation. It's a journey that teaches us the true value of forgiveness, resilience, and the irreplaceable worth of the people that we love. Let us remember that the riches in our lives are not defined by material possessions, but by the depth of our connections and the growth that we undergo. Until next time, stay strong. Don't you ever give up and experience the power of forgiveness yourself.